the reaction conditions leading to the best yield of C2H5Cl are. See, what is this? First, C2H5Cl, that is C2H6 is ethane. Ethane to give CH3, CH2, Cl. This is chloroethane. So ethane to chloroethane proceeds via free radical mechanism. So free radical mechanism. What is free radical mechanisms? So Cl, it will be homolytic cleavage, and you can split into Cl dot and Cl dot. This is the free radical. So what happens here? You need light for this. So at darkened temperature is ruled out. It cannot be prepared in dark temperature. Now, when we are seeing this, if C2HCl is excess or Cl2 is excess. If Cl2 is excess, what happens? All the hydrogens will be replaced by chlorine. So we will be getting CCl3. But we need the product chloroethane. So for the case of chloroethane, ethane should be excess and Cl2 be within the limited amount. Our option is A. Here both are in the same amount. What happens? We will be getting 4 different products. We may get CH3, CH2, Cl and CH3, CHCl2. All these products we may get through free radical mechanisms. So to get chloroethane, ethane should be in excess, and the condition is it should take place in the presence of ultraviolet light.